Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the sixth and final session of the Nordic Championships 2017. Please welcome the officials. Head referees are Sigurður Óli Guðmundsson, Haraldur Fredriksson. Starters Ásmundur Svavar Jónsson and Sarah Butler. Managers Trausti Gylfason, Karl Georg Valur.
Emil. Emil.
The standings before this session is the junior. We have Iceland on 24 points, Lithuania 26, Faroe Islands 53 points, Finland 82, Estonia 90 points, then Norway in third place with 176, Sweden in second place 209, and Denmark in first place on 250 points. The seniors, there we have Latvia on 17 points, Lithuania on 50, Norway 52, Estonia 61, Faroe Islands 73 points, Iceland 128, Denmark 141 points in third place, Sweden in second place on 209, and in first place Finland on 248 points. And the first event in this session is event number 27, women's 50-meter freestyle. Pedersen, Denmark. Lane 3, Hedda Eriksson from Norway. Lane 4, Caroline Pan, Denmark. Lane 5, Sofia Enen, Sweden. Lane 6, Ida Reini, Finland. Lane 7, Tesla Columbus, Finland. Lane 8, Kettle Tore, Estonia.
Og það er Lane, and hello, I'm Helga. I'm here to describe the events for this afternoon. And we just finished 50-meter freestyle.
Event 28 is men's 50-meter freestyle. Lane 1, Jonas Nevin Irstad, Denmark. Lane 2, Henrik Uvet, Estonia. Lane 3, Marco Mateus Langer, Estonia. Lane 4, Erik Brandt, Sweden. Lane 5, Nikita Salmonen, Finland.
And this is men's 50-meter freestyle finals.
Lane 7, Daniel Kertes, Sweden. Lane 8, Sebastian Tuber, Denmark.
And it's Erik Brandt from Sweden who is leading the swim. And Erik Brandt. And it's Sweden, Saunonen from Finland, and Sukiali from Lithuania in third place. Jonas Nervel. Kistrup from Denmark takes the first place.
Event 29, women's 200-meter backstroke.
And then we have women's 200-meter backstroke. Junior heat.
We'll start with the juniors. Lane 1, Rakel
In
Berland.
lane 1, Rakel Berland from Finland.
Lane 2, Ida Maria Leine.
Lane 2, Ida Maria Leine, Finland.
Lane 3, Caroline Sørensen.
Lane 3, Caroline Sørensen, Denmark.
Lane 4, Astrid Julia Halvorsen.
Lane 4, Astrid Julie Halvorsen, Norway.
Lane 5, Liva Palmon, Denmark.
Lane 5, Liva Palmund, Denmark.
Lane 6, Trine Bosch.
Lane 6, Trine Fors, Sweden. Lane 7, Synne Houten Eidheim, Norway. And lane 8, Edil Mortensen, Faroe Islands. Two fastest times this morning were Halvorsen in lane 4 and Palmund in lane 5, both in 2:15. It's Liva Palmund from Denmark who takes the lead after the first 25. Liva Palmund 31:25, Astrid Julie Halvorsen 31:87, and Trine Fors, Sweden 31:99 to the first 50. It's Halvorsen who takes the lead after the 100, 105.23, and Trine Fors, Sweden 105.32. Liv Palmund 105.80. Astrid Julie Halvorsen taking the lead after 125. Trine Fors in the second. Halvorsen turning in 138.27, Trine Fors 139.41, Liv Palmund 140.45. Halvorsen increasing her lead after 175. That's Halvorsen and Trine Fors coming up for the second, and Astrid and it's Astrid Julie Halvorsen 2:11.36, Trine Fors 2:13.86, and Liva Palmund Denmark 2:14.76. Astrid Julie Halvorsen Norway 2:11.36. Now they come in for the senior heat, women's 200 backstroke. Lane 1, Katarina Róbertsdóttir, Iceland. Lane 2, Anna Miram, Sweden. Lane 3, Tanja Kiljanen, Finland. Lane 4, Sara Sylvest, Denmark. Lane 5, Sigrid Johansen, Faroe Islands. Lane 6, Miranda Arvidsson, Sweden. Lane 7, Anna Brandt Nielsen, Denmark. Sara Sylvest, who had the fastest time into the finals, 2:14.72. First turn, Sigmund Johansson, Faroe Islands. And it's lane 7, Anna Brandt from Denmark, who leads after the first 50, 30.42. Then Sigmund Johansson, Faroe Islands, followed by Sara Sylvest from Denmark. Very even here after the first 150. Now it's in lane 5. Lane 4, Sara Sylvest taking the lead after the 101.03.51, followed by Sigmund Johansson, Faroe Islands, 103.59, and Miranda Arvidsson, Sweden, third. Sigmund Johansson leading after the first 150, 136.86. Sara Sylvest and Miranda Arvidsson. Sigmund Johansson still leading. As he's increasing the lead here in the last 25. Very strong finish. 209.32. Sara Sylvest, Denmark, second. 210.89. And third, Miranda Arvidsson, Sweden, 212.40. And then we have men's 200 backstroke, the junior heat coming in. Lane 1, Erika Kaposius, Lithuania. Lane 2, Niklas Östman Pedersen from Denmark. Lane 3, Rasmus Norfjord, Denmark. Lane 4, Andrei Maharai Gregussen, Norway. Lane 5, Dennis Arteigen, Norway. Lane 6, Alanas Tautkos, Lithuania. Lane 7, Stefan Vargas, Sweden. And lane 8, Brynjólfur Óli Karlsson, Iceland. Fastest time into this final is lane 4, Andrei Maharai Gregussen from Norway, with a time of 2:00.96. And he's taking the lead after the first 25. It's lane 6, Alanas Tautkos from Lithuania, 28.17. Niklas Östman, Denmark, 28.20. And Andrei Maharai Gregussen, turns third. It's Gregussen who is increasing. No, it's Arteigen from Norway who takes the lead, 58.13. Östman from Denmark, 58.81. And Kaposius, Lithuania, comes third. There's Ataken from Norway, who holds the lead. And Ataken holds the lead, 1:29.18, with Gregerson second, 1:29.70, the 150 mark. Ataken holds the lead in the last 25. It's Ataken of Norway, and Totkus from Lithuania, and it's 1:59.45 from Ataken. Totkus Lithuania second, and Gregerson Norway turned third. Here we see the times. Ataken, Totkus, Gregerson. Senior heat and men's 200 backstroke. And here we only have 4 competitors. And it's lane 1, lane 3, Elmgreen, Denmark, lane 4, Rokos Jusoleskis, Lithuania, lane 5, Olle Skjold, Sweden, lane 6, Pavels Vilkans, Latvia, and it's Jusoleskis, Lithuania, who has the fastest time, 1:58.95. It's Olle Skjold, Sweden, who takes the lead here after first 50. Olle Skjold, 27.91. Jusoleskis, Lithuania, 28.04. 28.07 for Elmgreen. Celsius increases the lead to 57.06. Elmgreen, Denmark, 57.97. Skjold, 58.13. And Vilkan, 59.50. Jusoleskis from Lithuania, increasing his lead here, 1:26.14 at the 150, followed by Elmgreen, Denmark, 1:27.88, and Skjold from Sweden, 1:28.32, and Vilkas, 1:30.96. Jusoleskis increases the lead here, and he's going to finish 1:56.24. Elmgreen, Denmark, second, 1:58.16. Skjold, Sweden, 2:00.24. And Vilkans, Latvia, 2:01.52.
And now we will have medal ceremonies for events 27 to 30.
And then next up is medal ceremony for the first events coming up.
Medal ceremony is for women 50-meter freestyle.
And it's women's 50-meter freestyle medal ceremony.
Presenting the medals is Helga Vala Helgadóttir, Member of Parliament. And actually she's the sister of Skúli Helgason.
And presenting the medals for this event is Helga Vala Helgadóttir, Member of Congress. Finishing third, Sophie Henell, Sweden, at the time of 25:48.
In second place, Kaisla Kolanus.
Second, the silver is Kaisla Kolanus from Finland, 25:31.
And in first place, Caroline Barrett.
And first place, a Nordic champion, Caroline Barrett from Denmark, with a time of 25:14. Men's 50-meter freestyle. Presenting the awards is Þórunn Egilsdóttir, Member of Parliament. Third place, Tomas Sungaila from Lithuania with a time of 22:72. Second place, Nikita Saunanen from Finland, 22:67. And first place, Nordic champion Erik Brandt from Sweden with a time of 22:26.
200-meter backstroke.
And women's 200-meter backstroke, the junior heat. Third place, Liva Palmon, Denmark. The time of 2:14.76.
In second place, Trine Fors.
Second place, Trine Fors from Sweden. The time of 2:13.86.
First place, Astrid Julie Halvorsen, Norway.
And first place, Nordic champion Astrid Julie Halvorsen from Norway with a time of 2:11.36.
That's certainly for women's 200-meter backstroke.
And women's senior heat, 200-meter backstroke. Women's 200-meter backstroke, medal ceremony, senior heat.
Women's 200-meter backstroke. In third place, Miranda Arvidsson, Sweden.
Finishing third, Miranda Arvidsson from Sweden with a time of 2:12.40.
In second place, Sarah Sylvest.
Finishing second, Sarah Sylvest from Denmark with a time of 2:10.89.
And in first place, Signe Johnsen, Faroe Islands.
Nordic champion, first place Signe Johansen, Faroe Islands with a time of 2:09.32. Men's 200-meter backstroke, junior heat.
In third place,
Finishing third, Andre Mahaje Gregersen from Norway with a time of 2:00.37.
in second place, Alana Statkus, Lithuania.
Finishing second, Alana Statkus from Lithuania,
And in
2:00.01.
first place, Dennis Oteigen.
And first place, Dennis Eitegen from Norway with a time of 1:59.45.
And finally, men's 200-meter backstroke.
The senior heat, the men's 200-meter backstroke.
In third place,
Finishing
Ulla Sköld,
third.
Sweden.
Olle Skjöld from Sweden with a time of 2:00.24.
In second place, Andreas Kors.
second place, Andreas Kås Elmgren from Denmark with the time of 1:58.16.
And in first place, Rokas Juzelskis, Lithuania.
And first place, Rokas Juzelskis from Lithuania with the time of 1:56.24. Next event will be women's 200 meters breaststroke. And there are two heats, junior heat and senior heat.
Event 31, women's 200 breaststroke. We start with the juniors. Lane 1, Merel Arndt.
Lane 1, Merel Arndt, Estonia. Lane 2, Laura Findal Andersson, Denmark. Lane 3, Eva Kuman, Norway. Lane 4, Thea Blomsterberg, Denmark. Lane 5, Julia Monson, Sweden. Lane 6, Katarina Tebrikova, Lithuania. Lane 7, Charlotta Edelman, Finland. Lane 8, Rebecca Tryggvadóttir, Faroe Islands. Fastest time this morning is Thea Blomsterberg from Denmark, 2:29.47. It's Monson from Sweden who is first after the first 25. Monson with the lead, then Kuman from Norway finishes second, Blomsterberg third, 33.33 for Monson from Sweden after the first 50. Monson. And Blomsterberg taking the lead here, 1:10.75, Monson 1:11.13 and Kuman 1:11.28. And it's Blomsterberg. Blomsterberg from Denmark, increasing her lead here after 1:50, 1:48.02. Monson from Sweden 1:49.62 and Kuman Norway 1:49.90. Blomsterberg increasing her lead in the last 25. We have Teterakova coming up there on lane 3. Blomsterberg 2:26.25. Monson 2:28.84. Teterakova 2:29.47. Kumen 2:29.85. Fintal Andersen 2:29.85. Excuse me, 2:31.88. Edelman 2:38.53. And then Arndt from Estonia and Tricodottir Faroe Islands.
Now, women's 200 meter breaststroke
Senior
senior.
heat, women's 200 meter breaststroke.
Lane 1, Asbjørn Hjelm, Faroe Islands.
Lane 1, Ásbjörg Hjelm, Faroe Islands. Lane 2, Sunna Svanlaug Williamsdóttir, Iceland. Lane 3, Agnes Selekaite, Lithuania. Lane 4, Silja Pol Mikkelborg, Norway. Lane 5, Sara Wolberg, Sweden. Lane 6, Karen List Arngensdóttir, Iceland. Lane 7, Anna Karnen, Finland. (2:28.71) fastest time this morning. It's Mikkelborg from Norway. Lane 4 was the fastest time into this final. It's Mikkelberg and then Selekaite, Wolberg. Mikkelberg 33.61, Selekaite 34.17, Wolberg 34.39, Arngensdóttir 34, and it's Mikkelborg who holds the lead. Selekaite in the second place, Wolberg in the third. We have Arngensdóttir there. Arngensdóttir and Kananen. It's 1:10.54 for Mikkelborg. Mikkelborg, strong finish here, finishing in 1:48.38 at the 150 meter mark. Selekaite 1:52.28, Wolberg 1:53.17, Karnen 54.92, Arngensdóttir 55.21. Siljeborg, Mikkelborg 2:26.85. Wolberg from Sweden 2:32.66. And Selekaite, Lithuania 2:32.88. Karnen from Finland 2:35.29. Karen Mist Arngensdóttir, Iceland 2:35.76. Sunna Svanlaug Vilhjálmsdóttir, Iceland 2:36.20.
Now, event 32 men's 200 meters.
Men's 200 meter breaststroke.
We start with the juniors.
The junior heat.
Lane 1, Mark Solza,
Lane 1, Mark Solstad, Estonia. Lane 2, Andre Klippenberg, Einkai, Norway.
Lane 3, Gustav Persson,
Lane 3, Gustav Persson, Sweden.
Axel Skrustrup,
Lane 4, Axel Skrustrup, Denmark. Lane 5, Linus Karl, Sweden. Lane 6, Jonas Nine, Estonia. Lane 7, Nikolai Sørebu, Norway. Lane 8, Lukas Brun Strøbæk from Denmark. It's Axel Skrustrup from Denmark, who had the fastest time this morning, 2:13.65. Next, lane 2, Andre Klippenberg from Norway, 29.74. The first 50 meter mark, Mark Solstad, Estonia, lane 1, 30.23. Klippenberg in lane 2. Klippenberg holds the lead. 103.45. Persson from Sweden, 104.08. Linus Karl, Sweden, 104.47. Klippenberg followed by Persson. Persson is taking the lead. Persson 138.35, Klippenberg 138.62, Skrustrup from Denmark 139.06. And it is Persson who is leading at the 175 meter mark. Now they're coming up. It's Skrustrup. And it's Gustav Persson, 2:13.97. Axel Skrustrup, Denmark, 2:14.14. Andre Klippenberg, Norway, 2:15. Persson, Skrustrup, Klippenberg, Karl, Nine, Sørebu. Now it's 200 breaststroke senior heat.
Lane 2, Marcus Johnsen, Faroe Islands.
Lane 2, Marcus Johansson, Faroe Islands. Lane 3, Tit Matveyev, Estonia.
Patrick Riedel,
Lane 4, Patrick Vidal, Sweden. Lane 5, Jakob M. Jørgensen, Denmark. Lane 6, Mika Ruohinimi, Finland. Lane 7, Niels T. Nattestad, Faroe Islands. It's Patrick Vidal in lane 4 with the fastest time into the seat, 2:10.73. Jørgensen 2:15.16 with the second fastest time. Lane 6, Ruohinimi from Finland, 29.27. Vidal, Sweden, 30.02. Johansson, Faroe Islands, 30.17. Ruohinimi, Finland. It's Ruohinimi, 102.74. Vidal, Sweden, 103.18. Jørgensen, Denmark, 103.77. Even between Vidal and Ruohinimi, lane 4 and lane 6. It seems to be. It's very even here. It's Vidal taking the lead. 136.50, Ruohinimi 136.96. Vidal increasing his lead. Jørgensen coming up on lane 4. And it's Patrick Vidal, 2:10.50. Jakob Johansson, 2:11.16. And Mika Ruohinimi, Finland, 2:11.49. Tit Matvejev, 2:16.03. Markus Johansson, Faroe Islands, 2:28.98. And Mikael Nattestad, 2:29.07. Next event is women's 400-meter freestyle. Women's junior heat. Lane 1, Malin Eklund, Sweden. Lane 2, Louise Bach-Andersen, Denmark. Lane 3, Malene Ripestol, Norway. Lane 4, Amalie Søby Mortensen, Denmark. Lane 5, Eline Wiik, Norway. Lane 6, Vord E. Eidesgaard, Faroe Islands. Lane 7, Hanna Bergman, Sweden. Lane 8, Helena Hirvonen, Finland. 5 of these girls were under the 4:20 mark this morning. It's Mortensen from Denmark with 4:18.52 who has the fastest time in lane 4. Lane 6, Eidesgard Faroe-Island 29.23, Ribestol Norway 29.32, Mortensen Denmark 29.77. Andersen Denmark 101.58, Eidesgard Faroe-Island 101.73, Ribestol Norway 101.80. Andersen, lane 2, 133.41. Ribestol, Norway second, 134.47. And they're even here, Mortensen and Ribestol at the 150 mark. And it's Andersen who is increasing her lead. 2:05.30, Ribestol Norway 2:06.97, and Mortensen 2:07.53. Andersen 2:37.32, Ribestol 2:39.57, and Mortensen 2:40.06. Andersen at the 300 meters, 3:09.51. Ribestol Norway in the second place, and Mortensen Denmark turning third. Andersen, Ribestol, Mortensen. Lane 6, Eidesgard from Faroe Islands. Ribestol from Norway is picking up her speed. The last and it is Andersen from Denmark, 4:14.06, Ribestol Norway, 4:14.15, and Mortensen Denmark, 4:17.19. Eidesgard Faroe Islands, 4:18.81. Second heat, the senior heat, and women's 400-meter freestyle. Lane 1, Lena Ranvarsdottir, Faroe Islands. Lane 2, Emma Rotstam, Sweden. Lane 3, Eino Ottawa, Finland. Lane 4, Clara Rie, Denmark. Lane 5, Bryndís Bolladóttir, Iceland. Lane 6, Sunneva Dögg Robertsson, Iceland. Lane 7, Maribel Saar, Estonia. It's Clara Rie from Denmark with fastest time into this heat, 4:22.50. Bryndís Bolladóttir, higher close, 4:22.71. It's Bolladóttir, 29:36, who turns first. Rie, 29:67. Ottawa from Finland, 29:73. And Sunneva Dögg turns fourth. Bryndís Bolladóttir takes the lead here. Very even between Bryndís Bolladóttir and Clara Rie. And it's Bolladóttir 101.60, Rie 101.92, Ottawa 102.08, and Robertson 104. Bolladóttir 134.55, Ottawa, Finland 134.57, and Rie 134.75. Lane 7 is Maribel Saar, Estonia. And now we have Ottawa turning first, 2:07.44. Bryndís Bolladóttir 2:07.66. Clara Rie 2:07.74. And it's Ottawa who is now taking the lead. Eino Ottawa 2:40.21, Bryndís Bolladóttir 2:40.92, Clara Rie 2:40.99. And there's Eino Ottawa. Taking a 3:12.56 with Clara Rie turning second to 3:14.33 and Bryndís Bolladóttir 3:14.89. On lane 7, Maribel Saar is turning fourth. Ottawa 3:44.34, and Rie and Bolladóttir Sachs turn at the set 3:48.09. They are Eino Ottawa, who is now picking up the speed. 4:14.81, very tight here for the second place, and it's Clara Rie, 4:20.42, Bryndís Bolladóttir third, 4:20.43, Emma Rödstam, Sweden, fourth, 4:21.78. In fifth place, Maribel Saar, 4:22.34, Sunneva Dögg Robertsson, 4:22.76. Next up is medal ceremony.
Medal ceremonies for events 31 to 33. We start with women's girls 200 meter breaststroke.
And it's women's 200 meter breaststroke. And presenting the awards is Þórunn Egilsdóttir, Member of Parliament. In third place, Kotryna Teterkova from Lithuania with a time of 2:29.47. Second place, Julia Monson, Sweden, with a time of 2:28.84.
And in first place, Thea Blomsterberg, Denmark.
And first place, Thea Blomsterberg, Denmark, 2:26.25. And women's 200 meter breaststroke, and it's Helga Vala Helgadóttir, Member of Parliament, who is presenting the awards.
In third place, Agnes Selekaite, Lithuania.
In third place, Agnes Selekaite from Lithuania, with a time of 2:32.88.
In second place, Sara Wallberg, Sweden.
Second place, Sara Wallberg from Sweden, with a time of 2:32.66.
Mikkelborg, Norway.
And first place, Silja Paul Mikkelborg from Norway, with a time of 2:26.85.
Ceremony for boys 200 meter breaststroke.
Men's 200 meter breaststroke. And for the juniors, it's 14-17.
Andre Klippenberg Grindheim, Norway.
Finishing third, Andre Klippenberg, Norway, the time of 2:15. Second place, Axel Skridstrup from Denmark, with a time of 2:14.14.
And in first place, Gustav Persson, Sweden.
And in first place, Gustav Persson from Sweden with a time of 2:13.97.
Now men's 200-meter breaststroke.
And men's seniors 200-meter breaststroke.
Now it's Helka-Vala Helgadottir, Member of Parliament, presenting the medals. And in third place, we have Mika Rovaniemi, Finland.
Finishing third, Mika Rovaniemi from Finland with a time of 2:11.49. Second place, Jakob Jørgensen, Denmark, 2:11.16.
And in first place, Patrick
And
Vidal,
first place,
Sweden.
Patrick Vidal from Sweden, with a time of 2:10.50.
Now, girls 400-meter freestyle.
Women's 400-meter freestyle, junior heat.
In third place, Emily Sørby
Finishing
Mortensen,
third from Denmark, Emily Sørby Mortensen with a time of 4:17.19.
In second place,
Second place, Malene Ripestol from Norway with a time of 4:14.15.
and in first place, Louise Bach
And first
Andersen,
place,
Denmark.
Louise Bach Andersen from Denmark with a time of 4:14.06.
And finally, that ceremony for
And
women 400-meter freestyle.
Women's senior heat, 400-meter freestyle.
In third place,
We have in
Bryndís
third place,
Bolladóttir,
Bryndís Bolladóttir from Iceland with a time of 4:20.43.
In second place, Clara
Second
Denmark.
place, Clara Rie from Denmark, the time of 4:20.42.
And in first place, Aino Ottava,
And
Finland.
first place, Aino Ottava from Finland with a time of 4:14.81.
And we thank Helka-Vala Helgadottir.
And next event will be 400-meter freestyle for men, 2 heats.
Event 34, men's 400-meter freestyle. We start with the juniors.
Men's 400 freestyle, juniors age 14 to 17.
Lane 1, Elias Herlevi, Finland.
We have in lane 1,
Lane 2,
Elias Herlevi from Finland. Lane 2, Melker Olsson, Sweden. Lane 3, Mattis Grinalen Svensson, Norway. Lane 4, Andreas Hansen, Denmark. Lane 5, Alexander Aslak Norgård, Denmark. Lane 6, Robin Hansson, Sweden. Lane 7, Jon Jontvent, Norway, and lane 8, Patrick Viggo Wilbertsen, Iceland. Coming into this heat, there are 5 of them with a time under the 4-minute mark. Fastest time this morning, 3:53.55. Andreas Hansen from Denmark, in lane 4. It's lane 4 who's turning first, the 50-meter mark. Lane 5, Norgård, second. It's Hansen, Norgård, Hansen, and then Hansson, Sweden. Norgård turning third. Hansen from Denmark, 1:25.71. And it's Hansen from Denmark, and Hansson from Sweden, coming second. Third is Norgård from Denmark. It's Hansson, Hansen, Norgård, and in lane 2, Melker Olsson from Sweden, increasing his speed. Andreas Hansen, Denmark. Melker Olsson there in lane number 2. It's Hansen and then Olsson. Andreas Hansen, Melker Olsson second, Robin Hansson third. (3:22.03) for Hansen from Denmark. Olsson, Sweden, 3:24.02, and Grundalen from Norway, 3:24.61. Hansson, Sweden, turning fourth, 3:25. We have them pick up the speed here. Hansson from Denmark. Finishing 3:50.52, very tight for the second place. Grundalen, Norway, 3:52.49, and also Melker Olsson, Sweden, in third place. Here we have the times. No, we don't. second heat, men's seniors, 400-meter freestyle.
Lane 3, Thomas Sungaila.
In lane 3, it's Thomas Sungaila, Lithuania. Lane 4, Matthias Glennes from Sweden. Lane 5, Mikael Galgaard from Denmark. And lane 6, Hyen Hilmarsson from Iceland. Glennes from Sweden, who has the fastest time in this heat, coming into this final, 3:55.50. Galgaard second fastest, 3:56.43. Sungaila from Lithuania, leading after the first 50 with a time of 26.49. Second, Glennes, Sweden, 27.02. Galgaard, Denmark, 27.22. And Hilmarsson, Iceland, 27.77. Sungaila from Lithuania then holds the lead. Galgaard from Denmark, 56.02. Glennes, Sweden, 56.20. Sungaila, 56.42. And Hilmarsson, 58. Galgaard is picking up the lead here. The 150-meter mark, 1:24.89. Glennes, Sweden, 22nd, 1:26.04. Sungaila, Lithuania, 1:26.47. And Hilmarsson, Iceland, 1:28.88. Galgaard, 1:53.72. Glennes, Sweden, 1:56.69. And Sungaila, 1:56.85. Hilmarsson, 2:00.40. Galgaard, Denmark, 2:22.30, increasing his lead with Glennes, Sungaila turning second, 2:27.10, and Glennes third, 2:27.20. Hilmarsson, 2:31.73. $2:51.80 for Galgaard. Sungaila is turning second, 2:57.65, and Glennes 2:57.78. Hilmarsson 3:03.49. Galgaard taking a strong lead, 3:20.96. Sungaila 28.18 and Glennes 28.40 for the second and third. Hilmarsson 3:35.75. It's Mikael Galgaard from Denmark, finishes in 3:49.45. And for the second place, it is Matthias Glennes, Sweden, 3:56.36, and Thomas Sungaila, Lithuania, for the third place, 3:57.04. And then Hyn Hilmarsson, Iceland, 4:07.83. Next event is women's 200-meter butterfly. Here's the junior heat. Women 13 to 17-year-olds, 13 to 17.
Juniors on lane 2, Ellen Nielsen, Denmark.
Lane 2, Ellen Nielsen, Denmark. Lane 3, Elin Vik, Norway.
Lane 4, Edith Jensen.
Lane 4, Edith Jensen, Sweden.
Lane 5, Astrid Julia Halvorsen.
Lane 5, Astrid Julie Halvorsen, Norway.
Lane 6, Vilma Johansson.
Lane 6, Vilma Johansson, Sweden. It is Edith Jensen from Sweden who has the fastest time into this final, 2:17.17. Lane 4. Jensen 30.09, Julie Halvorsen 30.78, and lane 2 Ellen Nielsen, Denmark 30.99, Johansson, Sweden 31.54. Jensen from Sweden, followed by Halvorsen from Norway. Jensen 104.85, Halvorsen 104.95, and Ellen Nielsen 106.96. And Johansson, Sweden, 24th. Jensen, Halvorsen 138.52 for Jensen, 139.27 for Halvorsen. Johansson on lane 6, 142.69, turning third, and Nielsen, Denmark 145, and Vik on lane 3, 145.70. Last 25, Halvorsen has a slight lead. I believe it's Halvorsen who touches first, 2:12.60. Halvorsen from Norway, second, Edith Jensen, Sweden, 2:12.96. Third, Vilma Johansson, Sweden, 2:19.37. Halvorsen, Jensen, Johansson, Vik, and Nielsen. The senior heat, women 17 and older. In lane 2, Jana B. Thompson, Faroe Islands. Lane 3, Hilla Kortejärvi, Finland. Lane 4, Emilia Christensen, Sweden. Lane 5, Cecilia Wolf from Denmark. Lane 6, Maria Fanney Kristjánsdóttir from Iceland. There's Christensen in lane 4 with the fastest time into this final 2:18. It's lane 3, Hilla Kostijärvi, who's turning first, 29:58. Christensen second, 29:82, and Wolf from Denmark turning third. Yes, Kostijärvi. Kostijärvi from Finland leading, followed by Christensen from Sweden. Kostijärvi 103.17, Christensen 103.51, and Wolf from Denmark 104.28, turning third. Kostijärvi holding the lead. It's Kostijärvi at the 150 mark, 138.37. Christensen, Sweden, 138.99, and Wolf, Denmark, 140.27. And there's Kostijärvi, who is still in the lead. Holding the lead, and then it's Wolf of Denmark coming up at 2:15.30 for Kostijärvi, 2:16.83 for Christensen, and 17:07 for Wolf from Denmark. Fourth place Kostijärvi, Christensen, Wolf, Maria Fanney Kristjánsdóttir, 2:23.19. It's men's 200 meters butterfly junior heat. Lane 2, Alexander Amosenkov, Estonia. Lane 3, Arthur Dalen Ellegård, Denmark. Lane 4, Patrick Victor Tooth, Norway. Lane 5, Oskar Ivarsson, Sweden. Lane 6, Sindre Plein Olsen, Norway. And lane 7, Jamie Heinila, Finland. Patrick Victor Tooth from Norway, who had the fastest time into this final, 2:02.97. Oskar Ivarsson, Sweden, 2:03.72. Tooth in lane 4, Ivarsson in lane 5. Ellegård lane 3, Olsen lane 6. Ellegård in lane 3, 26.97. Tooth from Norway, 27.43. Amoskenko, Estonia, turning third, 27.82. Ellegård from Denmark, leading at the 100-meter mark, 57.58. Tooth Norway, 58.80. Ivarsson from Sweden, 59.61. Olsen, Norway, 4:59.66. It's Ellegård, Tooth, Ivarsson. Ellegård 128.74, Tooth 130.7, Ivarsson 4:31.09, and Olsen, Norway, in lane 6, getting closer. It's Ellegård. Oh, 34, Tooth Norway 201.39, and it's Olsen from Norway 202.93, and finishing fourth. Ivarsson Sweden 203.08. Ellegård, Tooth, Olsen, Ivarsson, Heinilau, and Amoskenko. Then it's the senior heat for men's 200-meter butterfly.
Men's 200-meter butterfly.
Lane 3, Albin Löfgren, Sweden. Lane 4, Kalle Pikkonen, Finland. Lane 5, Peik Lindberg, Finland. And lane 6, Sander Paavo, Estonia. It's Pikkonen who has the fastest time in this heat in lane 4, 2:00.94. And Lindberg in lane 5 at the second fastest, both from Finland. Then Löfgren, Sweden has the third fastest time, and Paavo, Estonia, fourth fastest. It's Löfgren 26.50, Pikkonen 26.73, Lindberg 26.78, and Paavo 27.19, the 50-meter mark. Löfgren was the lead after the 100 meters. Löfgren 56.99, Pikkonen Finland 57.23, Lindberg Finland 57.25, and Paavo Estonia 58.57. It's Löfgren. Pikkonen taking the lead here. Still Löfgren turning first, 128.19, Pikkonen 128.24, with Lindberg third, 21.12. Love Green holds the lead. Last 25 meters. Very close race between Love Green and Tikkanen with Lindberg coming up in lane 5, and it's Love Green 2:00:57, Lindberg Finland 2:00:65, and Tikkanen Finland 2:00:97, and Paavo from Estonia 2:09:62. This was the last individual event in this Nordic Championship. We have a medal ceremony coming up.
Medal ceremonies before the relays.
And after the medal ceremony there are the relays. There will be 3 relays. Women's 4x100 medley, men's 4x100 medley, and then mixed relay 8x50 meter freestyle. This meet is also a competition between countries, a point competition. Leading after Saturday's finals was Denmark with 250 points. In the junior category, Sweden second, 209 points, and Norway third, 176 points. In the senior category, it's Finland who was leading after the Saturday's finals with 248 points, with Sweden second, Denmark third, and Iceland third. And here we have medal ceremony for men's 400 meter freestyle juniors, presenting the awards.
And in third place, Merkel Olsson, Sweden.
Third place, Melker Olsson from Sweden.
In second place, Mattis Grindalen Svensson, Norway.
Second place, Mattis Grindalen Svensson from Norway,
Andreas Hansen.
3:52.49. First place, Andreas Hansen from Denmark with a time of 3:50.52. And it's Jón Hjaltason presenting the award from the board of the Icelandic Swimming Association.
Men's 400 meter freestyle. And here we have.
And the seniors from the men's 400 meter
Here we
freestyle.
have Herman Olsson. And in third place, Tomas Sungaila, Lithuania.
Finishing third, Tomas Sungaila from Lithuania in the time of 3:57.04.
Mattias Glenes.
Second place, Mattias Glenes from Sweden, 3:56.36. And
And in
first place, Mikkel Galgaard from Denmark, 3:49.45. And it's Herman Walsson from the Board of Education and Youth for City of Reykjavik who is presenting these awards.
Then girls 200 meter butterfly.
And then it's women's 200 meter
In
butterfly
third place,
junior
Ilva Johansson, Sweden.
heat. Finishing third, Vilma Johansson, Sweden, with a time of 2:19:37.
Second place, Edith Jernstedt, Sweden.
Second place, Edith Jernstedt from Sweden, with a time of 2:12:96.
Astrid Julie Halvorsen,
And
Norway.
finishing first, Astrid Julie Halvorsen from Norway, with a time of 2:12:60.
Now, women's 200-meter butterfly.
And women's seniors 200-meter butterfly.
In third place, Cecilie Wulff, Denmark.
Finishing third, Cecilia Wolf from Denmark, with a time of 2:17:07.
In second place, Emilia Christensen.
Finishing second,
Sweden.
Emilia Christensen from Sweden, with a time of 2:16:83.
And in first place, Hilla
Finishing
Korvajärvi,
first, Hilla Kostijärvi from Finland, with a time of 2:15:30. That is the award ceremony for men's 200-meter butterfly
Now, boys
juniors.
200-meter butterfly.
And there we
In
have
third place,
in third
Silje
place,
Olsen, Norway.
Sindre Pleim Olsen, Norway, with a time of
In second place,
2:02:93.
Patrick Victor Tull, Norway.
Second place, Patrick Victor Tull from Norway, with a time of
And in first
2:01:39.
place, Atudal Ellegård, Denmark.
And in first place, Arthur Dalen Ellegård from Denmark, with a time of 2:00:34.
We thank Jon Hjaltason for
And it was Jón Hjaltason,
medals.
member of the Icelandic Swimming Association board, who was presenting those awards.
And finally, men's 200 meters butterfly.
The last individual award ceremony, men's senior 200-meter butterfly.
In third place, Kalle Pykkonen, Finland.
Finishing third, Kalle Pikkonen from Finland, with a time of 2:00:97.
In second place, Peit Lindberg,
Second
Finland.
place, Peit Lindberg from Finland, with a time of 2:00:65.
And in first place, Albin Löfgren,
And first
Sweden.
place, Albin Löfgren from Sweden, with a time of 2:00:57. And it's Herman Wallson from the board of City of Reykjavik presenting these awards. Next event will be the women's 4x100 medley. Will be coming up shortly.
4x100 meters medley.
Women's juniors 4x100 individual medley relay. Lane 1, it's Faroe Islands.
Lane 2, Estonia.
Lane 2, Estonia. Lane 3, Finland. And I do not have the name list in front of me. Lane 4, Denmark. Lane 5, Sweden.
Lane 6,
Lane 6, Norway.
Astrid Julie Halvorsen, Eva Kuben, Malene Ripperström, Sunniva Erikheim. And lane 7, Iceland.
Lane 7, Iceland.
Alexandra Pálsson, Brynhildur Traustadóttir, Jón Elín Guðmundsdóttir, Ragnar Sigríður Ragnarsdóttir.
Faroe Islands, Estonia, Finland, Denmark, Sweden, Norway and Iceland. And we start with the backstroke. Denmark in lane 4, Julie Hoyer is taking the lead. Sweden in lane 5, Trine Fors second. And Astrid Julie Halvorsen from Denmark third. Julie Hoyer Siversen, who comes first, 101.53, Trine Fors for Norway 101.87, and Astrid Julie Halvorsen for Denmark 102.83, Kero Kaster Finland 105.66. For Denmark is Josephine Kroes in lane 4. In lane 5 for Sweden, Julia Månsson. In lane 6, Eva Kumen. It's Denmark, Sweden, Norway. Lane 3, it's Edelman. Josephine Kroes, 2:10.90. It's Eva Kumen for Finland, 2:11.65. And the butterfly for Denmark, Kathleen Barrett taking the lead. Second, lane 6, Malin Ripstol for Denmark. Lane 5 for Sweden, Edith Jernstedt. Lane 4 for Finland, Rakel Borland. Lane 5 for 2 for Britta Rannevets. Denmark's Karoline Barrett. And the freestyle leg, Denmark turning first, Sweden second, and Norway third, Finland fourth. It's Elisabeth Sabro for Denmark who's holding the lead. It's Jenny Moyes, Hanna Bergman for Sweden in lane 5, and Synne Houten for Norway in lane 6. It's lane 4 Denmark, Elisabeth Sabro. Lane 5, Hanna Bergman for Sweden. And lane 6, Synne Houten for Norway. Denmark for 5:69, Sweden for 7:51, Norway for 8:99. Then we have Finland here on lane 3, Jenny Moiso for 18:28. In lane 2, Iloa Maite for 25:00. And Faroe Islands in lane 1, and Iceland in lane 7 for 32. No, Vestergaard for Faroe Islands in 6th place and Iceland in 7th. So it's Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland, Estonia, Faroe Islands and Iceland. Second heat for the women's 4x100 meters medley relay.
Now, women's 4x100 meter medley. Lane 2, Iceland.
And lane 1, it's Iceland. In lane 2, it's Iceland. Lane 3, it's Sweden. In lane 4, it's Finland. And in lane 5, it's Denmark. In lane 6, Faroe Islands. Iceland. Lane 3, Sweden. Lane 4, Finland. Lane 5, Denmark, and lane 6, Faroe Islands. The first leg for Iceland is Katarina Robertsson, for Sweden Miranda Arvidsson, for Finland Hilla Kortijärvi, for Faroe Islands Anna Brandt Nielsen, for Denmark, and for Faroe Islands, Sigmund Johansen. And it is lane 5, Denmark, who's taking the lead, 29:37. Faroe Islands second, Finland third. And it is lane 6, Sigmund Johansen of Faroe Islands. It is leading. And it's Faroe Islands, Finland, Denmark, Sweden, and Iceland. And swimming in the breaststroke, it's in lane 4, Harri Kaninainen for Finland, who's taking the lead. Tia Blomsterberg, Sweden, 134.27. Sara Wolberg, Tia Blomsterberg, Denmark. Sara Wolberg for Sweden. Ásbjörg Hjelms, who swims for Faroe Islands, and Karen Mist Andersen, who swims for Iceland. And it is Finland who is in the lead. Finland, Denmark, Sweden. And for Denmark is Cecilia Wolf. For Finland is Kaila Kolenius. For Sweden, Emilia Christensen. For Faroe Islands, Jana B. Thompson. And for Iceland, Inga Elin Kryer. Finland's Kaila Kolenius, who is holding the lead for Finland, and in lane 5, Denmark, Cecilia Wolf, and lane 3, Emilia Christensen for Sweden. It's Finland, Denmark, Sweden. Going into the freestyle leg, and then it's Iceland 4th and Faroe Islands 5th. Emilia Sørbye Mortensen for Denmark. Ida Raini for Finland. Sofia Hanel for Sweden. Barbara Debes for Faroe Islands, and Bryndís Bolladóttir for Iceland. And Finland is increasing the lead. It's Finland, Denmark, Sweden here on the last 25. The Finnish team is coming in first for 6:59, Denmark 4:08.14, and Sweden 4:08.66. And then we have Iceland for 19:04 and Faroe Islands for 21:61. next event is 4x100 meters medley for men.
Event 38. Boys 4x100
It's the junior heat.
Lane 2, Estonia.
2, Estonia.
Alex Atiainen, Jonas Ine, Sergei Volkov, and Janter Sund. Lane 3, Finland.
Lane 3,
Nikki
Finland.
Karlsson, Lauri Eloma, Santeri Heitland, Elias Herlevi. Lane 4, Denmark.
Lane 4, Denmark.
Niklas Osman Pedersen, Axel Skogsborg, Adrian Elmo, and Sebastian Tuba. Lane 5, Sweden.
Lane 5, Sweden.
Stefan Varga, Emil Hasling, Johan Rydahl, and Robin Hansson. Lane 6, Norway.
Lane 6, Norway. Lane 7, Faroe Islands.
Rötter Tryggvason, Johan Dahl och Bartal Eiderskog.
Estonia, Finland, Denmark, Sweden, Norway and Faroe Islands. And we have Alec Aithanen for Estonia, Nikki Karlsson for Finland, Niklas Östman Pedersen for Denmark, Stephen Varga for Sweden, and Andrei Maharaja Gregersen for Norway, and Martin V.S. for Faroe Islands. And it's Finland 21st, 26th, 21, Denmark second, and Estonia third, Sweden fourth. After the backstroke leg, it's Finland who is leading 55-22. Sweden, Stefan Varga 55-81. Third is Denmark. And fourth, Estonia. And for Sweden, it's Emil Hasling. Denmark, Axel Skudstrup. Finland, Lauri Eloma. Norway, Andrei Klippenberg. For Estonia, Jonas Nina, and for Faroe Islands, Rötter Tryggvason. And it's Sweden who has taken the lead in the breaststroke leg. Sweden in lane 5, Norway in lane 6, and Denmark in lane 4. It was Sweden leading here, going into the butterfly. Johan Rydahl for Sweden. For Denmark is Arthur Dalen Ellegård, and for Norway it's Sindri Pleim. It's Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Denmark second, 2:52.57. And third is Norway. Fourth, Finland. It's Robin Hansson for Sweden, Sebastian for Denmark. And it's Sweden that it's leading. Taking a strong lead here in the first heat. Denmark in lane 4. In second place. It's a tight race between Norway and Faroe Islands in lane 6 and 7. It's Sweden 3:37.64, Denmark 3:41.82, Norway in the third place 3:44.52. Estonia in fourth place, and finishing fifth is Finland and Faroe Islands, lane 7. Coming up is the second heat in the men's 4x100 relay.
Now we have men's 4x100 meter medley.
Lane 2, we have Iceland.
Lane 3, Sweden.
Lane 3, Sweden. Lane 4, Finland.
Lane 5, Denmark.
In lane 5, Denmark.
Jakob Johansen, Jonas Nisborg, Rasmus Ulby. Lane 6, Estonia.
Lane 6, Estonia.
Sander Pavel and Hendrik Durant.
It's the backstroke leg. For Iceland, it's Brynjólfur Karlsson. For Sweden, Anton Andersen. Finland, Miro Vasko. Denmark, Andreas Kaas Ellegård. Lane 6, Marco Matteus. For Estonia. Finland leading at the first 50 meters. Denmark second, Sweden third, Estonia fourth, and Iceland fifth. first, Finland second, Estonia third, and Sweden fourth. After the backstroke leg. It's Finland, Mika Ruohenimi, who's leading. Sweden, it's Patrick Vidal. For Denmark, Jacob Jørgensen. For Estonia, Titi Mativu, and for Iceland, Sævar Berg. And it is Sweden who has taken the lead after the breaststroke leg. Sweden, Finland, Denmark. Sweden in lane 3, Oskar Huff with the butterfly leg. Emil Vahu for Finland and Jonas Norvald Christensen for Denmark. For Iceland it's August Júlíusson, and for Estonia Sandra Pavo. The lead. It is Sweden, Finland, Denmark all on the same second. Into the freestyle, it's Sweden. Erik Brandt for Sweden, Nikita Sanonen for Finland, Rasmus Ubi for Denmark, Henrik Uth for Estonia, and David Hildeberg Andersen for Iceland. And it's Sweden. Sweden and Finland and Denmark. Sweden with the lead. Tight race between Denmark and Finland. Denmark in the lead. Sweden first, and then Denmark, and then Finland. Sweden 3:37.09. Denmark 3:38.10 and Finland 3:38.54. Estonia 3:44.51 and Iceland 3:49.89. Last event of this meet coming up, which is 8 by 50 meters freestyle mixed, meaning there will be both men and women swimming together on this relay. have
Gloria Cosito, Erika Alabama, and Jensen Iceland. Brynjar Veronica Karlsson, Jón Erik Guðmundsdóttir, Bryndís Toddanóttir, Ágúst Júlíusson, Kristín Inga Högnadóttir, Guðmundur Ímarsson, Inga Silja Ragnarsdóttir, Davíð Ingvar Aðalsteinsson.
we have Faroe Islands, Estonia, Denmark in 3, Norway in 4, Finland in 5, Sweden in 6, and Iceland in 7. Lane 6, Sweden, lane 3, Denmark, second, and lane 2, Estonia, third, Finland, fourth, is lane 6, Sweden, who has taken the lead, lane 3, Denmark, second, and lane 2, Estonia third, Finland fourth, Sweden, Denmark, Estonia third, and Norway fourth. Second, Estonia third, that is Denmark in lead, lane 3, lane 6, Sweden for second, Denmark, Sweden, we have Denmark in the lead on lane 3, Sweden lane 6, second it's Denmark, Sweden, Estonia third, Norway fourth, Finland 5th, Faroe Islands 6th, and 7th. Sweden has taken the lead again in lane 3. Denmark second. Estonia third, Norway fourth, Finland on lane 5. Coming up, there is still Sweden finishing to win this race. It's Sweden, we have 32, Denmark second, Finland third, Estonia fourth, Norway fifth, Iceland 6th, and Faroe Islands 7th. This was the last event of this meet, this Nordic Championship meet here in Laugardalslaug in Reykjavík. Sweden 3:11:33, Denmark 3:13:14, Finland 3:15:53 for the third place. Next up will be medal ceremonies for the relays, and then awards for the team competition.
Right, and now we are getting ready for medal ceremonies for the relays, and then best female and male swimmers and teams on points.
And there will be medal ceremonies for the relays, and then there will be awards for the best male and best female swimmers in junior and senior categories, as well as for the team with most points after those 3 days.
We start with women junior, that is the girls.
Women's junior category for 4x100 medley relay.
Presenting the medals are Jon Hjalmarsson and Herman Walsson.
And presenting their awards are Jon Hjalmarsson from the Swimming Association and Herman Walsson from
In third place, we have
City of
Norway.
Reykjavik. Third place, it's Norway.
Astrid Julie Halvorsen, Eva Kummen, Malene Ripestøl, and Sunne Holm Einheim. In second place,
Second place, Sweden.
Trine Fors,
Trine Fors.
Julia Månsson, Erik Jernstedt, and Anna Bergman. And in first place, Denmark.
And first place, it's Denmark with a time of 4:05:69.
Julie Krøyer Svendsen,
Julie Krøyer Svendsen,
Josefine Kruse,
Josefine Cruz,
Caroline
Caroline Barrett,
and
Elizabeth Sabro Ebbesen.
Next we have women's
women's senior category 4x100 medley relay.
Jon Hjalmarsson, and also we have the chairman of the Icelandic Swimming Federation and the Nordic Swimming Federation, Hörður Oddfríðarson, presenting the medals. And in third place, women 4x100 meter medley, Sweden.
Finishing in third place, it's Sweden with a time of 4:08.66.
Sara Wallberg,
Miranda Arvidsson, Sara Wallberg, Emilia Christiansen, and Sophie Hennel.
In second place,
Second
Denmark.
place, Denmark. It's Hörður Oddfríðarson, president of the Icelandic Swimming Association, presenting those awards. It's
Cecilie Hjorth,
Anna Brandt Nielsen, Tia Blomsterberg, Cecilie Wolf, Emily Sophie Mortensen.
and in first place, Finland.
First place, it's Finland.
Hilla Kortejärvi,
Hilla Kortejärvi, Anna Karinen, Kaisla Kolenus, and Lita Raini. With a time of 4:06.59. Women's 4x100 medley relay.
Now, boys 4x100 meter
Then
medley.
it's men's 4x100 medley relay. It's the junior category.
In third place, Norway.
In third place, it's Norway.
Andrei
Andrei
Maharaj
Maharajai Gregussen, Andrei Klippenberg Grindheim, Sindre Plein Olsen, and Nicholas Lia. They finished in the time of 3:44.52.
In second place, Denmark.
Second place, it's Denmark. It's Niklas Ostman Petersen,
Niklas Östman Pedersen,
Axel
Axel
Skrustrup,
Skrøstrup,
Arthur Dalen Ellegård,
Ellegård,
and Sebastian
Sebastian
Thunberg.
Thunberg. And in first place, Sweden.
In first place, it's Sweden.
Stefan Varga,
Stefan Varga, Emil Hasling, Johan Rydahl, and Robin Hansson. At the time of 3:37.64.
Now we have
And then it's men's senior category 4x100 medley relay.
third place, Finland.
Finishing in third place, it's Finland. And it's Mira Vasko,
Miro Vasko,
Mika
Mika
Ruo,
Ruoniemi,
Heinimi,
Emil Varu,
Varu,
and
and
Nikita
Nikita
Saunanen.
Saunanen.
Second place, Denmark.
In second place,
Andreas Kors Elmgren, Jakob Jørgensen, Jonas Neville Kistorp, and Rasmus
is
Uhl.
Andreas Kaas Elmgren, Jakob M. Jørgensen, Jonas Nervel Kistrup, and Rasmus Ubi with a time of 3:38.10.
And in first place, Sweden.
And in first place, it's Sweden.
Anton Andersson,
Anton Andersson,
Patrik
Patrick
Rydell,
Rydell, Oskar Hoff, and Erik Brandt with a time of 3:37.09.
And now the final event, mixed 8 by 50 meter freestyle.
And the last event of the meet, medal ceremony 8 by 50 meter freestyle.
And now finally, the medal ceremony for the mixed 8 by 50 meter freestyle.
Mixed 8 by 50 meters
So many
freestyle.
swimmers have won medal ceremony. In third place, Finland.
Finishing third, it's Finland with a time of 3:15.53. And there are the three of them presenting the awards: Hörður Oddfríðarson, Jón Hjartarson, and Hermann Valsson. Kalle Pikkonen, Santeri Hoytey, Paula P. Peltola, Jenny Moiso, Ida Raini, Kaisa Kolenius, Nikki Karlsson, and Nikita Saunonen.
In second place,
In second place, Denmark. And then we have Jonas Nerven Kristrup, Sebastian Thunberg, Andreas Kaas Elmgren, Rasmus Ubi,
Sebastian Thunberg,
Caroline Barrett, Elizabeth Sabro Ebbesen, Amelia Søby Mortensen, and Johanna Hingebjerg.
Elisabeth
Denmark with a
Søby
time of
Ebbesen,
3:13:14.
Amelia Søby Mortensen, and Johanna Hingebjerg. And in first place, Sweden.
And finishing in first place, it's Sweden with a time of 3:11:33. Olle Skjöld, Robin Hansson, Emil Hasling, Sofia Hanel, Miranda Arvidsson, Gloria Musito, Erik Brandt, and Hanna Bergman.
Best female and male swimmers.
And then presenting individual awards for the best male and female swimmers of the meet.
Caroline Barrett, Denmark.
That's from Denmark for women's junior. Caroline Kott from Denmark.
Points for 50-meter freestyle.
She gets this highest points for 50-meter freestyle swim.
Now, best female senior, Anna Brandt Nielsen, Denmark.
And best female senior, Anna Karin Nielsen from Denmark.
That was 719 FINA points for 50-meter backstroke.
719 FINA points for 50-meter backstroke.
Anna Brandt Nielsen, 27.76 seconds, 50-meter backstroke. For that, she got 790 points. The best female swimmer on the Nordic Championship.
Best female swim of the meet, highest points for FINA points.
And best male youth swimmer of this championship, Oscar Lindholm, Denmark.
And for the junior men, it's Oscar Nibro
Oscar
from
got
Denmark.
816 FINA points for 1500-meter freestyle.
And that will be for 1500-meter freestyle swim.
And best male swimmer, Ole Mortensen, Faroe Islands.
And senior male swimmer of the meet for the fastest swim is
Ole Mortensen, Faroe Islands.
Ole.
830 FINA points for 1500-meter
Ole Mortensen from Faroe Islands.
2.27 seconds. Do we have Ole Mortensen here?
And apparently we do not have Ole Mortensen here, but he has the best male senior swim of this meet.
And now the only thing left is the team competition. And juniors, there we have Iceland on 36 points, Lithuania on 41, Faroe Islands 81, Finland 109 points, Norway 290 points. In third place, Sweden 307 points. In second place, Estonia is in fifth place with 125. Norway in fourth. Sweden is Norway in third. Sweden is in second place. Sorry, with 307. Norway in third place, 290. Sweden in third place, 307. And winner on points is Denmark, 364 points.
And winner in the team competition, it's in the junior category, it's Denmark with 379
So
points.
Denmark juniors.
Denmark juniors team.
Team Denmark on 364 points.
Denmark's junior team 364 points. Winner of the team competition for the juniors in this Nordic Championships.
Points for senior teams. Latvia on 22 points, Norway on 66, Lithuania on 77 points, Estonia 98, Faroe Islands 108 points, Iceland on 179. In third place we have Denmark on 267 points. In second place, Sweden, 318 points. And first place, the winners are Finland, 302
And for the senior category, team winners are Finland. Finland, the winner, Sweden in second place, and Denmark in third. 342 points for the Finnish team. The winner of the senior category, the in the team competition.
Congratulations, Suwon.
And this was the last
This concludes
event of the meet, and
the Nordic
thank you for
Swimming
tuning in
Championships
the
2007.
Nordic Championship in
Thank you
2017
very much
from Reykjavik,
for attending,
Iceland.
and we thank the officials for their work the whole week.